What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, guys, I just realized that it's been an entire year since I had my big chop. If you've not already seen my diva cut, I'll post it somewhere up here. That was when I got my first chop of 2019 in April. So this video is going to be like a year of what happened after my big chop. So guys, I received this product in the mail to review. Thank you so much to Naturally Divine Products to sending me this. And might I say, it's so cute. I even got a handwritten letter from her. I am so excited to try this oil because I will be discussing later in the video how oil has definitely helped my hair grow. So I'm so excited to use this product and try it out, but I just wanted to give her a big, huge thank you. Guys, this is so cool. If you go on her website, you will see that she has all types of hair growth oil. She also has a feminine care line. There's hyperpigmentation and scarring, skincare and acne. So definitely go check this out. She has a lot of medicated soaps on here, which is really good. I know I got a couple zits and stuff that I'll be covering up with some makeup, so I'm definitely going to be looking into our website to see what I can purchase, but I would highly recommend that you guys check it out. I will definitely link the video below of what it is, but I will show you guys how it comes out and what I have right here. So this is how the oil comes out. Wait a minute, maybe I didn't open it all the way. So this is how the oil comes out. What? Alright, hold on. You guys know I'm slow. Why isn't this working? Is it? That's probably why. You gotta take the thing off, guys. Be smart. Don't be like me. But since it's open, let's smell it. Woo! What you put up in here, my friend? It smells like growth. Wow, that smells minty. I smell like eucalyptus. Girl, what you put up in here? Like, whoa, this smells super good. This smells like my hair is like, what? So this is how it comes out. You do not need a lot. I'm just going to take this a little bit and kind of put it on my hair. I'm going to be using this on my scalp, y'all. So I'm so happy that I got to try this product. Oh, it feels so good. Yes, come through. Not to mention, this is a black-owned business. I don't know about you, but you better be out here supporting these black-owned businesses. Guys, this is awesome. So please go check out Naturally Divine Products. I will link her information in the description below. But let's get to this big chop. So I will put some pictures right here for you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about. But I was mortified. Like, is that the correct word to use? Y'all, I will show you a before picture of how my hair used to look, and then look what this little effa did to my hair. Like, she cut it. Like, never again. But again, if you guys want to hear the whole experience, I do have a full video dedicated to that, so you can definitely go check it out. But that's kind of where it starts, and then it progressively started to grow. I didn't see any growth from like April all the way up until August. I saw no growth. I was doing everything I was supposed to do. I was looking at my YouTube videos on how to grow your natural hair, so that's why I made some too. But that's what I mainly was doing, was just sticking to the basics and creating a routine that worked for me. My routine usually consisted of me deep conditioning my hair overnight on Saturday and then washing it on Sunday. But y'all, once I experienced the Ayurvedic clay mask, I feel like my hair just took from here to here. Like, the Ayurvedic clay mask I was so all about it. They have some bomb healing properties in the Ayurvedic clay mask, and I will also link a video up here somewhere so you guys can see exactly how I did my Ayurvedic clay mask. And if you really want to know the secret, that is how it grew. I did my regimen every day. I was consistent with what I was doing. I made sure I stayed away from products that did not belong into my hair. By now I knew what my hair liked and didn't like, and that is just going to be a part of you going a part of your journey and figure out what your hair likes and doesn't like, and stay away from the products that it doesn't like. Even if it smells good, stay away from it, okay? Everything that look good ain't good, we should say. But yeah, so I was just doing what I needed to do for like the entire time from like April up until like August, September, I saw nothing, and then out of nowhere my hair like started to grow, and I was like, oh, okay. And I don't know why my hair in the back starts to just grow like a flower, and then the hair on top and in the front, it's just dead, bro. It ain't growing. It ain't going nowhere. And probably is, but I don't feel like it is. I feel like all my new growth is like towards the back and underneath my hair. Man, when I tell you I first got into juicing, I did not think juicing was going to help my hair. I specifically started to juice because I knew it had healing properties for your body, but not for your hair. And what? I was so wrong. I have been juicing for over a year now. I have another video on juicing, so I will link it up here so you guys can go check it out, and everything will be in the description below of what I'm talking about as well. But I started juicing, y'all. I am telling you, juicing was probably the best thing I could ever do. It tastes good. It's good for your body. We already know that your hair grows from within, so why are we not giving our bodies what it needs so it can grow? Your hair juice is like, I'm telling you, this is it. That's all you are going to need is hair juice. I actually haven't been to the store in a few days. I'm going to go tomorrow to pick up some more fruits and vegetables for my hair juice, but it's been like about a week since I had it because I just haven't been able to make it to the store, especially with this pandemic going on. I kind of just like took a step back from stepping outside, so I haven't got around to my juicing lately, but it's something that I have been doing for a year now, and I have seen tremendous growth from juicing. I pretty much just drink I think it's 12 ounces or 16 ounces, I don't know. You guys are in luck. I have one right here. I think this is 16 ounces. So I do have one right here in my room randomly, but I use these to drink for my juices. I'll try to find these and link them below. I actually did purchase them a few times off Amazon because they're so easy to lose, or they just get lost somewhere. So I will definitely link those below so you guys can check it out. My hair juice, girl, I'm telling you, you gonna see your hair growing like wildfire. So my hair juice, my Ayurvedic clay mask, being on a weekly regimen of what I'm using and being consistent. That was like the main things that I did to make my hair grow. Now, I started seeing massive hair growth the end of 2019 and the beginning of this year of 2020. That's when my hair just kind of like took off. I don't know what happened. It was just like, you really just gotta like pray to God and just know when you don't see your hair growing, just know that it really is. Do not put like do not put chemicals in your hair. Do not give your hair what it doesn't want, like parabens, sulfates, things of that nature. Just do your research on what's out there. There are so many black natural owned hair companies that we can just support. They have done the hard work for us. They have already done the research and they're putting their products out there for us to use because they know it's perfect. Unlike Diva Curl, who doesn't know what they're doing. No shade, but again, watch the video. Using a bonnet and a scarf and putting my hair in a pineapple, that helped me so much. Like, it helped my hairstyles last longer when you put your hair up at night. But just try to preserve your hairstyle as long as possible because you don't want to constantly be playing in your hair. I do my hair a little bit more often than I did because now I'm on YouTube, so I have like so many styles to show you guys. But before I was on YouTube, I was committing to once a week. I would deep condition overnight every Saturday, and then Sunday I would wash it out and style my hair, and that's pretty much how my hair took off. But when you are first starting this journey, or if you just got your big chop, you're not going to really see like crazy results until like 6 months. You're just going to look in the mirror one day and be like, oh. But one thing that I could definitely suggest to you is to take pictures. Take pictures of your big chop. Take pictures every 2 weeks or every time you style your hair. I know that I do that. Another thing that I do is once I wash and detangle my hair and I'm ready to get out of the shower, I do have one of these little like things that catches all the hair in the drain. I forget what it's called, but I will definitely try to find it for you guys because it's love. I have no hair going down the drain because of this. Yeah, so when I'm in the shower and after I detangle and I'm ready to get out, I just take all the hair from the drain, and what I do instead of throwing it away, I rub it in the palm of my hands until the hair that fell out of my head creates like this little ball, and then I store it and I keep it, and then that's how I know how much hair I'm losing, because every time I take my shower and detangle my hair and get out and take all the hair from the drain, from the little thing I bought, am I losing too much hair or am I staying steady? What is going on with my results? So every time I take a shower, I do have like these little hair balls that I collect just to compare, like, hey, is my hair falling out? Is my hair good? good, what's going on. So I definitely do that. I will have a whole video dedicated to that, like a hair chart type of thing, because if you are losing your hair, you have to track the progress to see, hey, am I really losing my hair, or am I just thinking I'm losing my hair? So that was one of the things that I did, not necessarily for, like, for hair growth, but just for like hair health mainly, and just to track everything and be on top of everything. That's what I was doing. Hair is caught. Oh, I just ripped it, y'all. Don't rip your hair. Don't rip your hair out. And I know you're probably watching like a ton of videos on YouTube on like how to grow your hair, but in all natural reality, it just takes time. It takes time, and it takes consistency, and it takes the right products, and it takes the right person to love the hair. That's how my hair grew. That's how my hair is going to continue to grow. But if you want to see massive hair growth, hair juice, Ayurvedic clay mask, consistency, wrap your hair up at night, collect your fallout hair to see how much hair you're losing and to track your hair, have a good hair regimen, so what you're doing every day, and be on a weekly schedule. I don't know where we at, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Again, thank you so much to Naturally Divine for sending me this product. I will be putting this on my scalp, and I will be taking pictures to track it to see if my hair is growing with this. I'm so excited, and I love handwritten letters. Like, I'm gonna put this in a little collection somewhere with other people who send me stuff. Like, this is so cute. So thank you again, Naturally Divine, for sending me this product. So excited to use it. And guys, that is pretty much it. I went over 1 year of what happened after my big chop, how I was able to grow my hair like wildfire. Alright guys, so that is pretty much all I have to say. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that these tips will help you grow. If you are just experienced a bad haircut, just know it grows back. It's hair. It's not an arm. If you chop your arm off, your arm ain't gonna grow back. But if you chop your hair off, it'll grow back. Trust me. Give it some TLC. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.